I'm so excited about this. I got one of those crochet club kits from Annie's Kit Club, and this is the first one. So I'm gonna open it and show you. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see and feel the yarn and see how it's packaged. So here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so it's this quilt, and it has the directions for the block that I'm going to be making, and then there's a link so that it shows you the expert tutorials, and then it has all the beautiful yarn on the inside. I'm so excited. Okay, so in the descriptions I put a link so that you can join this with me. It is an affiliate link. If you do join the club, Annie's does give me a little bit of a kickback, but I am so excited about this. About 3 years ago, I injured my hands trying to make masks for COVID, and it was right about the time that our youngest son went on a crochet kick, and I wanted to crochet with him so badly, but my hands wouldn't let me. So I finally feel well enough to start doing this, and I thought a little kit, doing something a little at a time. And the way that they do it is they send you the stuff for 1 square a month until you end up with this gorgeous Afghan. I'm so excited. Let me know if you join in.